I hope they have my size.
From that one, is there
Because Auntie Remy's size is a little bit bigger than what the Asian models wear. IQ! Where's Drew? Where you at, Drew? He's barbecuing back there. Main man Drew, good barbecue food over there on the grinds. Yes. I drew something.
Check.
Sparkle with, hold on. Where's my glasses? Sparkle with Shea Paparazzi. Where you at, Sparkles? There you go. They're jumping by the, right there. Don't, you guys, and look at all the vendors. They're amazing. They came out today. They have wonderful stuff. Please check them out. And let's give it up for the park back there because that's your babysitter for the day. Give it up for the park. I know my daughter's going to be back there. All right. Let's give it up for the vendors.
Yeah, vendors, yes. Are all the judges here? Not yet? One more? No? All right.
All right, we have some wonderful judging panels here. Our judges are award-winning dancers with a big passion for the Tahitian culture. These judges were hand-selected by Auntie Julie because they're her favorite local to California, motor butts. Our first judge, Latina is our sponsor and the head judge all the way from Tahiti. So Latina, please raise your hand.
Yeah. Air Tahiti Nui, yeah?
Air Tahiti Nui. Or Air Alaska. I'm just kidding. Okay. You want three?
All right, our first judge is the leader of Hura Tini coming from Milpitas, California. Put your hands together for the lovely Michelle Tarleton.
For the exhibition,
Our next lovely judge is Miss Pisa Thompson, daughter of Leandra and Eddie Thompson, directors of Vaihau Nui, Benicia, California.
All right, all the way from SoCal, representing local Lani's Roti, Miss Kanani Haswanga.
This person, hello, hi, how are you? We're gonna bring her up again because she's fabulous. Lead judge, Miss Latina Perry, director of Kautaka Incorporated and Rangikura from Pire, Tahiti, and fairy godmother of Tahani Studio. Please, let's give it up for Miss Latina, the beautiful Miss Latina Perry.
All right. How do you get a fairy godmother? I want one.
She's coming, but she's funny to her job. Okay, no problem. One more judge is coming. She's an amazing dancer, a good friend of mine. Miss Desiree Woodward Lee, director of Ohina Arunui, husband of Christopher Lee. Yeah? Hi, how are you? My mic on? They will be joining us shortly. So again, let's give a round of applause to our wonderful, beautiful judges.
Yes. And forgive our mics if it's cutting out. Just pretend it was the old TV before cable.
Yes. And we'll just we'll just shout it because our voices are loud. I don't know, Bradley, are you loud?
Bradley, are you loud?
So.
Okay. We'll make you loud by the end of the day. All right, are you guys ready to get started? What do you guys think? Was that loud enough?
Hell no.
That's not loud enough. What is that? Let me hear this. Are you ready to get started?
There you
That's
go.
it. There's
All right. Are the drummers ready? Let's give it up for the drummers.
House drummers.
They never get enough. Hello. How are you?
It sounds like an old karate movie. Like Bruce Lee.
You know those karate movies? Yeah, that's right. One thing about drummers, because I'm one, we never get enough credit. And I want to commend these drummers right over here who's going to be drumming all day.
Yes. They all have carpal tunnel too, so they need physical therapy after this.
Oh, their forearms are so big.
So, you know, they're going to put some ice buckets, stick their arms in there. So give them up. Always give up to your drummers, whatever group you belong to, or any hello. Always be appreciative to your drummers. Just one from Auntie Rem.
Okay, let's get started.
All right, let's go.
You got the list of dancers?
Yeah, all right. We got the list of dancers here. We have our babies coming up.
I got you. I'll give you the list.
Soon to be amazing, amazing dancers on the stage. We're going to have our our exhibition. Are you baby girls ready? Come on up. How do my tato? Let's hear it up for these babies.
All right, dancers, are you ready? Drummers, Hura Tini. All right.
Let's give these lovely ladies a round of applause.
Yeah, the future is bright with these ladies. Good job.
The future of Kaishan dancing.
Maruru, ladies.
Maruru.
Come over here and follow Uncle. Shh. Come here. Hui. Over here. This way. Okay. Okay, bye.
Again, a round of applause for our exhibition ladies. Starting them young, it's amazing what they grow up. All of these ladies have grown up. All the judges you've seen have started at this age and became beautiful dancers. So again, this can be up and coming in the future. We love it. We're going to now start with our eliminations, starting with our, and this is very cute, I love these names, Dipping Toes. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. We're dipping in it. Our beginner category.
What are they dipping on? Oh, sorry.
Sea salt ocean. How about that? Or soy sauce.
Extra salt.
All right. In our beginning dipping toes category, we have from category 7 to 9 years old, Skylar Larone, number 12.
Come on, y'all. Give it up for Skylar. Shoo!
Test, test, test.
Judges, are you ready? Drummers, Hura Tini. All right, give it up one more time for Skylar.
And
Right.
we're going to have you come over here, Skylar.
Maruru.
And just because the judges want to see her one more time, we're going to let the next round come up, and they're going to see her one more time. So she has one more chance to show what she got. All right. Still in the dipping toes beginning category. In the category of 10 to 12 years, we have number 13, Annika Ocampo, and number 14, Natalie Page Calvo. Judges ready? Judges ready? Category 10 to 12. Stand and look pretty, ladies. Stand and look pretty. The eyes say it all. Judges, when you're ready, just raise your right hand. We?
Yep.
All right, judges are ready. Drummers, here we go. Maruru.
Yeah, give it up.
Ladies, show your number, turn your number around so that judges can see. Number
like that.
13 and number 14, dipping toes category 10 to 12. Maruru. Huri.
Yeah, I like the masks. I got a mask too in the car. It's a stocking with feathers on it.
Stockings,
Yeah.
black or white?
When yeah.
It's all right. All right. Moving on. Beginner dipping toes. And we're going to add mystery to it, so we're not going to say names anymore. We have number from the 16 to 19 category. Number 16. Let's give it up for number 16.
Hey! Check. Check.
Judges, when you're ready.
Check. 1, 2. Check.
She's a mystery. She's number 16. I go like this. You don't know who I am. Number 16. Look pretty. Bend your knees. Smile big with your eyes and your nice, beautiful mouth.
Before our dancer goes on, just want to remind folks, don't cross in front of the judges unless you know how to make yourself invisible. So until you figure that out, just sit there on that side. Don't cross over. Thank you.
Don't she look beautiful? She look
Thank
gorgeous.
you.
Give number 16 a round of applause for just staying beautiful, standing there. Like a model, like a statue. Beautiful. Judges, ça va? Oui? Latina, oui? All right, drummers. How to do? Maruru. Show your number, baby girl.
Number 16.
Maruru roa huri.
All right,
Maruru.
judges, you good? All right, Maruru, good job. I'm digging that mask, man. I like that.
We should get some.
Huh?
We should get some.
I told you I got a mesh stocking that I could put on with a feather, man. When I take it off, I look like honey baked ham already sliced. You know what I'm saying? All right. On to 16 to 19. Don is still in the dipping toes division. Let's welcome dancer number 15 and dancer number 17.
15 and 17. Judges ready? Ooh, they ready. Look at that. Ooh, yeah. You get it.
Sweep the leg, sweep the leg.
Can I just come here and fix you? Sorry, I'm nobody. I'm just here.
Oh, make sure there's no costume malfunction.
Judges, are we ready? All right. Drummers, you ready? Hi to Mike. Maruru.
Yeah.
Tane, please show your number.
Show your numbers.
Turn that number over. Don't let me secretly do it.
Turn your flower. Show your
These
flower.
handsome men. Mystery, 15 and 17. Marururo, Huriao, thank you. To the left, to the left. To the left, to the left. Thank you, Maruru. Wave goodbye.
Yeah.
Aren't they handsome?
Look like the phantom of the opera.
All right, next up in the dipping toes category, age 20 to 29, number 18.
Right, let's welcome her on stage.
The masks keep getting better and better.
Hey!
Judges ready? Drummers?
All right. Good job.
Maruru, make sure you show your number.
Check, check.
Everybody, give her a round of applause.
All right. In this category, you're going to pick one.
Number 18, everyone. Maybe want to get up and dance. And that was the end of our dipping toes category.
And now for the Got Skills category, age 10 to 12, number 19.
Hey!
All right.
Smile big. Doesn't she look beautiful on this stage? This is Got Skills. Got Skills. You got skills, girlfriend. I know it. We're just waiting for the judges to settle in. The amazing thing is you don't know who she is. She wears a mask. And as you can tell, all the dancers coming up are wearing white. So you don't know who they are. It's a mystery, which is amazing about this. And the masks keep getting better and better. I love the mask, love the blue, love the lace.
Yeah, very creative on that stuff, man.
Yes, I just got leaves. I just put it in my face.
Yeah,
I like that.
I got my stocking. I got an extra one. Mesh. That's the way to go.
So again, this is Got Skills category, 10 to 12, number
Skills.
19.
Skills to pay the bills.
Got skills. She ready. She's there. She's not even budging. A true dancer just waits to be called to dance.
So what's your mask made out of?
What's your mask made
Is
out
that
of?
mesh too?
Number
Oh, no.
19.
Lace.
Oh, she's like, I'm ready. I'm not talking to nobody.
I'm talking to you.
I'm not talking.
Okay. She's concentrating.
Isn't she beautiful? I'm just kidding. Big hair, don't care. Big hair, I don't care.
She's focused. Look,
Number
I
19.
always look, I.
What is your mask made out of?
Lace.
That's it. That's all you need sometime with a girl. Young lady, lace. Lace it. Looking good.
She didn't even
Look,
turn
she
around.
ready. She's not. I'm just waiting, smiling, waiting. Love it.
She didn't even turn
Here,
around. Man.
here.
Talking.
I'll wait with you. Number 19. Look, do I look good? 10 to 12.
Strike a pose. Go, Auntie Remy.
10 to 12 many moons ago.
Well, that's a lot of moons.
A lot of moons ago.
That's a lot of moons, man.
A lot of moons and a lot of pounds. As we wait patiently. Oh, I think we forgot to say where the bathrooms are.
Pick a bush. For the males, is anywhere behind the
Males,
tree.
anywhere. Pick a bush. For the girls,
Anywhere
there's a
behind the
bathroom
booth.
right towards the entrance. It will be a long line, so if you want to pick a bush, go right ahead. Just use a pareo to cover yourself and get a friend.
All right, while we're waiting, there's also a 50-50 raffle happening, so there's representatives from Tehani that's going to be walking around. You can buy raffle tickets, and we're going to do the 50-50 raffle drawing later, okay? Judges, are you ready?
Not yet.
Almost?
Not yet.
Not yet.
Oh,
Okay, so...
Uncle Mike was telling me if anyone really needs to use the restroom and it's full, you could go to the bar and get a drink and go ihe or pee-pee. Just in case. But we do have buckets just in case. It's okay. So bathroom check. Vendors, are you guys good? Yay! Woo!
Okay, we are ready.
Drummers, number 19. Let's give a round of applause for number 19 in the 10 to 12 category of got skills. Who thinks she got some skills? Let me hear it. Yeah, Maduro and Huri.
I just want to remind the judges that, you know, these first two divisions, there's such a small group of competitors, you don't really have to pick a number. Not until the advance where there's a larger group. And so they're going single, double, depending on how many per age category. So also we have raffle tickets going. 50-50 raffle tickets is $2 a ticket. They have the regular raffle ticket, which is $1 per ticket. So
all right, coming up next in the Got Skills category, age 13 to 15, number 20.
And judges ready? All right, here we go. Maruru, number 20.
All right, good job.
Huri.
Maruru, dancer number 20.
Next up in the Got Skills category, 16 to 19, number 21.
Hey!
And judges are ready? Drummers. All right, let's give a round of applause for number 21, Maruru and Haidamai.
All right, next up in the Got Skills category, age 20 to 29, number 22 and 23.
All right, and judges are ready? Drummers, Arudu. Numbers 22 and 23 in the ages of 20 to 29. Fabulous. Wonderful. Again, Maruru ladies and Huri.
All right, that was your Got Skills category. Coming up next is the Motorbutt category. And first up, in the age group of 4 to 6, give it up for number 61.
61. All right, isn't she? But look at she ready. She is a motor butt. All right, judges are ready. Drummers, here we go. and gentlemen, number 61, Sassy and Everything.
That girl
the
got
motorboat
fire.
Skills, Maruru. Thank you. Look at Sassy
Go
sashay.
on, girl.
Sashay it out,
There you
girlfriend.
go.
Sashay it out.
Walk like you mean that, girl. That's what I'm talking about. That's how you walk off stage, man.
Right.
All right, next up in the motorbutt competition, ages 7 to 9. Give it up for 24 and 25.
You think it'll look cute if I walk off stage like that too, Remy?
What? We walking. All right, look at these beautiful ladies. They are ready to get it. All right, judges, ready, and drummers, hit it.
All right, Maruru ladies, make sure the judges can see your numbers. Look down, make sure they can see you. All right, judges, are we good? Okay, Maruru ladies, you may step down. Okay, way to go. High five.
All right, next up in the motorbutt competition category, ages 10 to 12. Give it up for number 26 and 27.
right, we'll just wait for the judges. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And mystery. Judges ready? Ça va? Oui? All right, judges are ready. Drummers.
All right. All right, ladies, make sure the judges can see your numbers. Okay.
Number 26 and 27.
Judges, you got it? All right. Maruru, ladies, you may
Maruru and
stage here towards your left.
All right, next up, also in the 10 to 12 age category, number 28 and 29.
Gorgeous. Superpose. Judges ready? Yeah? Drummers, hit it.
All right, next up, at age 13.
That they're not
Little drummers.
Remy dancing like Remy.
I'm sorry, just you.
All right, I love you too, man.
I I love Kaylin too.
Thank you.
All right, next up, we've got number 8 and number 62.
You may exit stage left.
Aruru.
Last. All right, our final 2 dancers.